My problem is that the blades themselves are stuck. So those are impeller blades. Usually there's two in the disposal, and mine's actually rusted shut. So I'm going to show you how to actually dislodge it using some unconventional method here. So believe it or not, this right here is actually the solution. So what you see here is a rack of ribs. So what the ribs are going to do is the rib bones are going to be put into this disposal. It's going to spin and it's going to knock those blades in the middle loose. So even though it's like tight shut, it's rusted tight shut, I can't even push it with the screwdrivers. These ribs are gonna hit it very violently, you know, back and forth, randomly all over the place. So what you could also do is, if you don't have spare ribs, but it is an excuse to just eat spare ribs. But anyway, you can use chicken bones. So chicken bones are not as strong as these spare ribs. So I'm not sure if the chicken bones are strong enough to work. But you could also try to use ice, anything that's hard that will knock back and forth and loosen that up. So even though it's seems like it's impossible and it's shut tight and rusted tight, it's worth a shot. So here I'm going to use my rack of ribs. I'm going to enjoy the ribs first, you know, clean it up a little bit, because if it doesn't work, I have to pull it back out and I don't want it to be messy. So I'm actually going to wash the rib bones before I dump it into the disposal. So just keep that in mind. You know, I'm going to try it out after I enjoy these ribs and show you the results. Alright, so the moment of truth is here. I am going to stick these three bones into the disposal, turn it on, and see if it actually dislodges the two impeller blades that are there. So you can see that's what's stuck. You know, so those are not budging at all. They're a little bit rusted, even though it's stainless steel. So here you go. I'm gonna stick in three, and the reason why I'm sticking in three first is because I'm gonna have to dig these out if this doesn't work out. You know, so you know, there might be a chance it won't work, in which case I'm just going to have to remove them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it running for, you know, 30 seconds or so, and then let it rest. Otherwise, the motor itself might overheat. So here you go. I will be turning it on, you know, covering it just in case. Letting it rattle around. So if you notice, that noise actually is a good thing. It sounds good that it actually dislodged there. You know, so let me go ahead, take a look, see if it's dislodged. Alright, so I got myself a screwdriver. And take this out and see which particular one is moving. So basically the bones worked. You could see it if I move this, and I could use the screwdriver. Now you notice I move that off center. So it's actually pretty awesome. That's really it. So you know, the magic. Alright, I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.